Okay, here we have a 930 Turbo Cabriolet. This has been pulled out of a barn. It's been in there for 28 years. It has been converted from left to right. We are going to redo that and put it back as it should be. The car is going to be stripped down to the bare shell and start again. The reason why it was put in the barn is because someone had quite a bad accident in the car. Let's rip the back wheel clean off it, all down the near side. The underside of the car is in really good condition. Very little rot on the actual tub itself. Roof is in very good nick. What a shame. We're going to take the engine out, gearbox out, complete strip down and rebuild. That's amazing. Gas struts still work. You buy them today, they last 5 minutes. We're going to cut the whole front end out, and we've already bought a front end, and we're going to unstitch it all and put it back in as factory. So keep watching the website. We will post photos on a weekly basis as we carry on with the build, and hopefully get a nice car out of it. Thank you for watching. www.rs911.com